My name's Zach, and I've been skating for about 5 years now. I mean, kids that grow up that want to skate, when I see a kid skating, I want to try to help him. When I see him trying a trick, I want to try to learn it or get better at something else if they're not ready for that trick.
Act like you're doing it.
That's one thing about it too. I mean, after school they go and skate, keeps them out of trouble, and it just keeps them focused, and it's positive. You stay on the right track, just keep practicing. Just go for it, and you go hard to do something. You got your mind set on it, and you don't stop until you land it. That's the best thing about it. Challenge it.